practice of the text functions with example. So let's start with the video. Here, one by one, I gave the example so you can understand how we can use the functions in Excel. So here you can see the I type my name the Charu Kumar. Okay, so here you can see the between the space. So how we can remove the space? Okay, so here equal trim function we use and select this text and hit enter, and you can see the extra space is removed. Okay, now next Charu Kumar. Okay, now here you can see that this name we are typed in the capital, but we need to proper. So how we can? So here we can use the proper function. Okay, select this simply, select text and hit enter. Okay, and if you want to the in the lower, so equal lower function we can use. Select this text and hit enter. So you can see all case are the lower, right? But if you want to the upper, so upper means the in all alphabetic is capital. So we use upper here, upper function, and select this and hit enter. So you can see the upper function. So we can use the proper lower and upper. But if you don't want to use the these and you get the board, you got the board, so you can use the flash fill. Flash fill, I show you the what we can. Suppose here the Charu Kumar. Okay, Deepak Kumar, Pooja Kumari. Okay, so suppose we have this name list. Now what I do here, Charu and Kumar. Okay, and select this Charu and Control plus E and Control plus E. So this is called the flash fill. Flash fill where is you want to see, so you can go the data tab and here you can see flash fill option. So this is the advanced. Okay, so you can use if you have the long data, so you can easily use without the using the lower upper proper whatever. Okay, so just give the example and the control plus E, remember. Okay, so this is the now the next is here I type the Rajasthan comma India. This is the text, but I want to only the left text. Yeah, you can say the only Rajasthan. I want only Rajasthan. So how can equal here we use left function. Okay. So left function, select this text, comma. Now here the number of characters. So number of characters. So here you can see the Rajasthan is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 character and close parenthesis and hit enter. So you can see Rajasthan separate from India, right? But if you want to the you want to the separate the India, so you can do with the right function. Use right function, select this text, comma, and number of character 5. Okay, close parenthesis and hit enter. So you can see left, right. Okay, the another example, Udaipur dash 313001. This is the example. Now I want to the middle. How we can get middle text extract? How we can? So here we use equal mid mid function. Okay, select this text, comma, start number Start number one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So select 9, comma, number of character. It's 6. So 1, 6 number of character, which means we want. So 6. Pin code 6. So cross pencil and hit enter. So you can see. But we are the type wrong. So here I think 8. I calculate wrong. What is going on? 9, 9, 9. Okay. Okay, I understood. This is the we use the dash. So one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 space. Okay. Okay. So we extract the pin code, but still I something the missing. Wait. Let's check it out. The start number here I type the 8 and the 7. What happened? Something wrong. Oh, okay. I want the number of characters 6 and of course start 9. But I'm not able to see the right answer. Okay, so we need to check it out what is happening with the next example so we will understand. Okay, so here mm, another we type the Udaipur 313001 and again we use mid made function. Select this, select this text, comma, start number one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, comma, I want 6 and hit enter. Now here you can see this is the correct way. So something is missing here. So it's happened in this the Excel. So we'll make sure कि, uh, if you got some error, so we need to fix it. So yeah, okay. So here the I give the space so I can see now. You can see. Okay. So when you practice start, so something happen, but we learn better way. Okay. So this is the right. Okay. So we learn the left, right, and mid. Okay. Now the impovich solution. Solutions. Okay, so this is the my channel name, Improve Solution. But I want to know how many characters in this. So how we can find. So equal len is help to and hit enter. So you can see the how many characters. So we count the character here. Okay, so this is the really helpful. Now the next is here the mm, suppose here I type the what I type here. Okay, so India here I type, but it's wrong, you know. But how to replace in Excel function? So here we use substitute function. Okay, substitute function we use. Select this text, comma. Old text, what is the old text? So you can type in the double quotation. Okay, India, comma, in double quotation. comma. Now new text what is? So new text again the double quotation India double quotation close pencil and hit enter. So see. So substitute function is says to wrong spelling fix. Okay, spelling fix. Yeah, you can replace. All right. Now here my name Charu and Kumar and Mathu. Now I want to the combine this name. How we can? So you have the two options. First is flash fill. I already told you. The next is the concat function. Concat function. Select this. Here the text. Select this text. Okay. Comma. Second text. So you can select this. Comma. Third text. Okay. And cross pencil and hit enter. You can see. Okay. But if you want to the give space, you can give between them so you can see the right result. Okay, so you have to need the check it out what is going on. So whenever you type the function, so you have to know it how you can use. Okay, so this is the concat function. Now this is the all the text function we generally use in the Excel, and this is the really helpful to the fix our the data, yeah, how to increase the our efficiency, so you can use the text function. And last thing I want to show you, just last thing, um because I just remember. So here today is date the 28 9 25. This is the today date, but we can type the date. We don't need to type equal and today function we can use and select this. So if you not remember the date, so you can type with this date. Okay, so this is the trick. Now, if you want to the check the this is the text yeah date format, so you can check equal date value. So date value is helps to this is the date yeah text. So you can find. So because this is the date format, so you can see here the number format. So that's why it's share. It's okay. Now equal text function here we use select this value comma. Now I want to know the day. So here double quotation 4 times D double quotation cross pencil and hit enter. So that's today is Sunday. Okay, so you can get the your day with this text function. Okay, all right. So I think the all thing all type the text function I shared with example. If something missing, so I will the add new Excel video. So that's about this video. I hope this video is helped. Thank you for watching this video. Keep practicing. Stay tuned. See you next time.